Come one, come all. You already know what it is. Come on down and get your Hollywood trades. We are live with another banger. Gold is our play. As you know, I am on the road to El Dorado. We got a sell signal. We had some aggressive filling coming in here, and hold on. And I am at a short take profit, relatively speaking, of 20. I want to change it, but I believe it's gonna hit. I got it somewhere up in here. Let me check that real quick. Actually, hold on. I can pull that up here. Oh, no, I can't pull that up here. Sorry about that. So my take profit is actually almost about to be hit, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and I don't know here. I want to say I'm gonna go ahead and, but they're getting some sliding here. They're definitely getting some spooling, and I want to close this trade in a profit. But I believe my take profit is gonna be hit. I believe we're gonna get some more downsliding here, but there's a fill zone here. There's definitely a fill zone, and we're battling a Reaper that's in the form here, and we have a demand zone here. I don't want to stay in this demand zone too long. We want to see a forceful breaking of that zone. My take profit is almost hit. My take profit is somewhere here, I believe. I want to see some more breaking here. But if I get a rejection if I get too much of a crazy rejection, I'm just gonna secure profits here, because I got some indication that it's near its max wave. We're just trying to see if we can get one more impulse before an intermediary filling here. We want to get one more impulse here. I just want to see one more impulse here. Can we get one more impulse here? I just need one more. Come on, let me just get one more impulse. We might have to collect some of the imbalance up in this zone, because gold likes to stay balanced, but it's tearing right now. So where did we get? We got 127. I don't even know what my take profit is. It's somewhere down here though. Come on, we just need one more tear, because we're getting breaking. People are gonna want to get in here. Retail is gonna want to start getting in. People who trade breaks and stuff like that, they're definitely gonna want to get in here. But we have filling, predestined filling here, according to some of this indication. So we shouldn't get any too much aggressive filling until like somewhere up in here. But we have old liquidity zones. You see that it's sitting between some of these old liquidities. I want to say it wants to go back up and regather some of its ordering here. We don't want to see it. If we're bearish here, we don't want to see it disrespect this area too much. Maybe revisiting these wicks, but we don't want to see too much more than that. Let's check volume again. Volume is still on our side, but there's a large inefficiency here, and I don't want to see it come. We don't want to see it come back up here. We don't want to see it come back up here at all. And we are definitely getting some dangerous filling here. Yeah, we don't want to see. We want to see institutional order flow entry drilling, 25% encroachment. And we want to see power. We want to still see power here, piggybacking off of this order block here, because this order block is stabilized inside of these wicks right here. So if this order block can remain stable inside of these wicks and continue its it's go. We want to see it stabilize up in here, maybe collecting some of this here like it did here, but it collected enough here to where it shouldn't do too much. It shouldn't do too much damage in this zone. We want to see force here. We want to continue to see force here. I'm going to check volume. Yeah, we're getting some filling here. There's a buy wall here. There's a buy wall here, but we're below the breaker, so, and we're below the Reaper. So hopefully we don't have to revisit the Reaper. I don't want to revisit. I'm in good profits here. I don't really want to revisit too much top side personally. I don't want to see too much top side revisiting here. There's a large sell wall here that we wanna see that hold up. Let's dial in a little bit more on this. What's happening with this volume? All right, so this is the down leg, the up leg. Let's get the down leg and the up leg in here. So yeah, sell wall here. We don't want to see this sell wall disrespected, and we definitely don't want to revisit any of this buy zone that's above here. That would mess us up. So we want to see force here. We want to continue to see force here. Maybe a little absorption of the bottom of this block. We want to see absorption of the bottom of this block. These last couple where breaker structure happened here. That's all we want to see. We don't want to see anything else here. We don't want to see anything else here. We want to see, we want to continue to see downside flippage and absorption. That's an absorption pattern there. And we want to continue to, I just need one break. Just give me one. What'd that boy say? Come on. That boy said I only need one time. That boy said I only need one time. Come on. Y'all see me. That boy said I only need one time. And take profit hit, I believe. Yep. Take profit hit. Go ahead and post that. I'm done for the day, ladies and gentlemen. I am finito for the day. And of course we could have went for more because this is just the beginning of the break, but I am trying to pass my prop right now. And I'm just getting in for bangers. Like, we're getting into liquid territory, sell side liquidity territory here. If y'all want me to keep reading, there was breaks and structures. I went in on all these. I started seeing this break of structuring here. I started seeing lower highs, right? LH, right? HH, LH, LH. Had a HH return into territory. And of course, when you get that return into liquid, this is all liquid balanced price right here. So you start returning into that balanced price. And as we say where I'm from, balanced price range entry is what we're here for. Balanced price range and draw on liquidity, right? That's pretty much what this is. This is what you saw here. This is the 4 hour. So, the cycle is pretty standard on gold. You start getting into some highs, you're going to get some lows. And so that's what we traded. It was counter trend. It was a counter trend averaging move, but I was pretty much making a bet that this zone that I drew out here, was gonna stay steady. You know, I don't like to muddy up the chart. Well, I don't like to muddy up the chart. I got all my indicators on, all my hacks, my wall hacks. Hold on, let me turn off my wall hacks. Yeah, all right. Sorry about that. Don't report me. Yeah, so pretty much this is what it is. This is what we traded. This was the setup that we traded, what you're seeing here. Just a pretty simple setup. Piggybacking off of zones that were already established. Not so much supply and demand, but more so particular zones of inefficiencies where you've seen large orders go in. You can trust that these large orders will I don't know how this will work. Am I still on YouTube as well? That would be cool. That would be very cool. If I am I? I am. Holy cow! Computers are nice. Computers are really nice. I love computers. Hello? Hello? Anybody home? I guess this wasn't the right place, I guess. Join the call. I guess I'll just join the call. Hey, can you hear me? Yeah, it had made me join the regular voice thing for some reason. So yeah, my take profit was hit. About 500 in profit on that one for my prop test. I should only need to do about 2 more trades and I should be good. And of course, I'm on YouTube reading the charts. And I could have definitely let a runner run because it is definitely running, but you guys know that I'm a stickler for securing profit. I am in it to win it, ladies and gentlemen. I will get into the more complex, order forms, letting entries run and letting couple lots run here and there. Once I pass my prop, I'm just in it to win it right now. I'm trying to secure this prop money, and this is how you do it. Like I said, we're in sell side liquidity right now, so that bouncing that you see coming up off these zones, it's not to be worried about too much. But if you are in a profitable position, I would definitely start securing profits right around this point. Like I said, volume is going to start wavering back and forth now because we're going to start getting some of them high pressured buys coming in. You still got a few more pips, I would say, until almost maybe 1930 even. But right up in there, you're going to start getting some real consequent encroachment on some older levels that we were filming from a few days back. So definitely be careful into these sells. The true take profit for these sales is actually at 1930, 19, yeah, somewhere up in there. But you are going to start getting some intense buying pressure coming off of this buy side inefficiency area, and that's what you're going to see right now. So yeah, just be safe. Don't go broke trying to get rich, folks. And I think that's going to be it for right now. I'm going to go into a private session. Y'all join the Discord if you want more of that. Other than that, we are out again.